enHack News.
Hey there, English explorers! Ready to dive into today's news in English? Let's go! McDonald's started selling Pokemon card Happy Meals on August 9th. Limited edition cards made fans rush to stores. People waited in long lines to buy the meals. Some customers only wanted the cards, not the food. Piles of untouched Happy Meals ended up thrown away. Social media showed images of wasted food outside stores. McDonald's asked customers not to waste meals. Pokemon fans debated about proper promotion and behavior. The promotion showed the mix of pop culture and consumerism. It also raised concerns about food waste in Japan. Awa Odori Festival started in Tokushima on August 12th. It is Japan's most famous summer dance celebration. Dances began inside, then moved outdoors, even in heavy rain. Large Ren dance groups performed for cheering crowds. Both elegant women's and energetic men's dances were shown. Traditional songs, flutes, and drums filled the air. People from all over Japan came to watch or join. The festival is known as the Dance of Fools. Spectators and dancers shared joy in the city streets. Many said the experience was moving, despite the weather. Science Tokyo held a special lecture in August. Professor Yoshiyuki Sankai presented his cybernetics technology. He is famous for wearable robot suits called HAL. HAL helps people with disabilities walk or move again. His lecture covered medical and industrial uses for robots. The audience learned about Japan's AI and robotics future. Students asked questions about starting science businesses. Robot technology mixes biology, mechanics, and computers. Japan's science community hopes to solve aging society issues. The event inspired young people to study tech fields. That's all for today. Keep listening, keep learning, and keep being awesome. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next week.